السلام عليكم أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. This is digital set module test. Question number 1. The scatter plot shows the relationship between body weight and brain weight for 9 species. Based on the scatter plot, what is the brain weight in grams of the species that has the greatest body weight? Greatest body weight, this is body weight, greatest body weight is here. This is greatest body weight, so its brain weight is 140. Is asking about what is the brain weight. So brain weight is 140. The answer is 140. Number D. This one, what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is just 4. So this is 0, 4. It is not 12. Y-intercept at x equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. This is not x equal to 4. X is equal to 12. This might be correct. This might be correct. But y-intercept is just this point intersecting y-axis. 9x equals 54. What is 12x? So 9x equals 54 divided by 9 divided by 9. X is equal to 6. We multiply by 12, multiply by 12. X is equal to 72. So x is equal to 72. This one, when 3 times a number n, so 3 times a number n is added to 3, the result is a number p. Which equation represents this? So this is the solution. And intersect crawls 30 inches in 15 minutes. Inches, 15 minutes. If the insect continues to crawl at the same rate, how many inches will it crawl in 1 hour? So 1 hour is 60 minutes, so we multiply by 60 minutes. So this is 30 multiply 60 divided by 15. 30 divided 15 is 2. So 2 times 60 is 120. 120. A rectangle has a length of 25 and width. What's the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the 25 plus 25 plus 13 plus 13. So 25 times 2 plus 13 times 2. This is 50 and this is 26, so it is 76, the perimeter. A quadrilateral DEFG, angle D measures 43, angle E measures 35, angle G measures 75. What's the measure of angle F? So quadrilaterals, the sum of the 4 angles is 360 equals 43 plus 35 plus 75 plus angle F. So this is 3 plus 5 plus 5, 13, 1. This is 11, 15 plus F equals something correct. Is this correct? Quadrilateral DEFG, angle D is 43, angle E is 35, angle G is 75. So we add those, 75 plus 35. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, 1. 8 plus 3, 11, plus 4, 15. 360, subtract 153, subtract 153. This will be 7, this will be 0, and this will be 2. So the answer is 207, but this is strange because 207, this is something like this. Ah, yes, it could be something like this. The quadrilateral DEF, DEFG, and this F is 207. This could be like this. Okay, 4x minus 12 equals 28. What is the value of x? 4x minus 12 equals 28. So I can divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So x minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. X minus 3, he asks about x minus 3. So x minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7. If x-intercept of the graph shown is a0, this is x-intercept. What's the value of A? A is -4. This is -4. The given function models the velocity Vt of a particle in meters per second after accelerating for t seconds. After how many seconds is the velocity? 67 meters per second. So velocity will be 67 meters per second equals 17 plus 2.5. T will subtract 17, subtract 17. So 67 minus 17 is 50 equals 2.5 T. We divide by 2.5, divide by 2.5. So T is 20 after 20 seconds. So لو طالب عايز ياخد درس سات أو كورس سات أو أكت، ده رقمي 0 100 99 38411 مستر سعيد المهدي 411 واحد واحد. Now number 11. The table shows data from a survey of 130 people about their average daily commute times. If one person from the survey is chosen at random, what is the probability that the person commutes using public transit? Using public transit is this. So it is 51 over total 130. 51 over 130. If the expression, this one is written in the form like this, what is the value of A? So A is just the difference between this and this, 6x squared minus 3 multiply x squared. So it is 3x squared. This is 3x squared. So A is 3. We don't have to do B or C. Yes. Number 13 said the frequency table shows the number of hours spent studying each night on average by 200 students in group 1 and 200. Group 1 and 200? Group 1 by group 1 and 200 students in group 2. So the total here is 200 and 200. Which of the following is true statement about the mean numbers of hours that the students in group 1 and in group 2 spent studying each day? Let's see, this numbers 0 hours, 0 number of students, 1 hour 25. This 1 hour is 80. So 80 multiply 1 hour, 50 multiply 2 hours. This is 80. This is 50. How to find mean now? So mean of group number 1 is we multiply 0 times 0 plus 1 times 25 plus 2 times 80 plus 3 times 50 plus 4 multiply 35 plus 5 multiply 10, all divided by 200 students. This is 25 plus 160 plus 150 plus this is 140 plus 50 divided by 200. 50 plus this is 200 and this is 300. This is 525 divided by 200. Let's leave it like this. This is the mean of group 1. Mean here is mean of group 2. We just multiply 0 times 25 and this, all these numbers. And then 0 times 5, this is 0, this is 40, this is 100 and 105, 180, and 25. We add all these numbers. This is 130, this is 120. So 130 plus 120 is 250 divided by 200. This is less. So 250 divided by 200, this is less than 525 divided by 200. So there is not enough information. Mean number hours that the students in group 1 is equal to, no, it is not equal. The mean of group 1 spends is less than, no. So D is the correct answer. The mean numbers of hours that students in group 1 spent studying is greater than, this is correct. The central angle of circle measures 4 pi over 9 radian. Well, the measure in degree. So 4 pi over 9 multiplied by 180 over pi. Pi will cancel out, and 180 divided 9, this is 20. So 4 multiplied 20 is 80. So the answer is 80. Which of the following ordered pairs xy is a solution to the given system of equations? So this is, we can use Desmos for this. Let's make it using Desmos. So we have what? It is 5x minus 4y equals 36. The other equation is negative x minus y equals 0. So the solution is the intersection between the red line and blue line. This is the solution. So this is x and this is y. So it is said here x and y is equal to 4 comma negative 4. Okay. 4 comma negative 4, this is the solution. Now this one, Dave was fined by a library for returning overdue books. Each week after he received the fine, he paid the library a fixed amount until the fine was paid. The equation C equals 12. So the fine was 12 and he is paying each week 1.5, 1.5. So 12 minus 1.5 times number of weeks represents the amount C in dollar that Dave owes W weeks after being charged the fine. If the equation were graphed in the XY plane, what would be the best interpretation of y-intercept? Y-intercept is the total amount of the fine. This is y-intercept, $12 fine, the total fine. The amount that Dave owed the library before it started paying, this is correct. Y-intercept is the start. The function f of x is defined by f of x equals x squared minus 88 is if c is a constant and f of c equals 108. Which of the following is a possible value of c? So f of c equals 108 and f of c equals x squared minus 88. We can add 88, add 88. This is x squared equals 1. This is 69. So square root, x is equal to positive and negative 14. So the solution is 14. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the variables x and y. Which of the following equations could represent the line of best fit? So line of best fit starts at approximately 32 and decreasing by rate of, this is going negative 32 divided by 2.5. Run is 2.5. So 32 divided by 2.5. This is the slope, which is very small number. That's correct. Scatter shows. So negative 31 is not correct. and negative 31 is not correct. Y-intercept positive 31 and positive 31. This might be correct and this might be correct. The slope is negative. It is not positive. Positive slope is going like this. So solution is B. Satya ate a breakfast sandwich and an order of fried potatoes and consumed a total of 910 calories if the breakfast sandwich contains 240 more calories than the fried potato. So let's make it, so consumed fried potato, let's make fried potato X, and sandwich, let's make sandwiches X and sandwich and an order. So let's make this Y, X and Y. Sandwich X and potato is Y. So, and it is said here X plus Y is equal to 910. And it said if the breakfast sandwich X contained 240 more than potato, which is Y. So we have system of equations here. We can solve it using Desmos. How many calories did the breakfast sandwich? So we need to find X. We can use Desmos if we want. Let's do it using Desmos if we want. This is Desmos. We can write X plus Y equals 910. This one, X equals 240 plus Y. And we can zoom out. This is the solution. Where is it? Solution is here, the intersection. So said here, X and Y is 500, 575 and 335. 575 and 335. This is sandwich and this is potato. He's asking about sandwich, so it is 575. This one is the graph of a line in the XY plane is shown the point 2. So this point is 2 and y is here, is on the line. What is the value of y? So they are all fractions of fractions. This is 5. So this point is 0, 5, and this point is 6, comma 9. We can find the slope. Slope is rise over run, which is y2, 9, minus y1, 5, divided by x2, 6, minus 0. So it is 4 over 6, which is 2 over 3. So the equation is 2 over 3x plus y-intercept, which is 5. Now, x is equal to 2. Let's put this x equal to 2. So this is 4 over 3 plus 5 over 1. We can make this denominator 3 multiplying by 3 multiplying by 3. So it is 15. This is 4 over 3 plus 15 over 3. This is 19 over 3. So the solution is 19 over 3. Y is equal to 19 over 3. This says that x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 3y equals 33 over 2. When graphed in the xy plane, the given equation is a circle with radius r. What is the value of r? I don't know if Desmos can find it will find r, of course, but let's try it. Sometimes it will be a fraction. Let's do this. X squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 3y equals 33 over 2. Where is this? This is the circle here. find this slope. This we have slope this point. So we can 2.5. So this is diameter. He is asking about radius. Radius is half diameter. So between the difference between y equals 6.5 and y equals negative 3.5, we subtract 6.5 minus 3.5. This is 6.5 plus 3.5. This is 10. This is diameter. So the radius is half diameter, which is 10 divided by 2. The radius is equal to 5. So this solution radius is equal to 5. So the answer here is 5. The problem with the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, is graphed on the xy plane if the parabola passes through point this -1, -1. Which of the following must be true? Hmm. Uh, -1, -1. So let's put this here in this equation. So y is -1 equals a multiply x is -1 squared plus b multiply -1 plus c. -1 equals -1 squared is +1. So a -1 multiply b negative b plus c. So we have a minus b plus c equals -1. Where is this? A minus b plus c. This is not correct. A minus b plus c -1. This is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. And that's it. This is the last question. إن شاء الله ألقاكم في فيديوهات لاحقة. ولو حد عايز ياخد كورسات سات، رقمي هو ده. أنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي، وممكن لو حد عنده سؤال ممكن يكتب لي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.